If you're thinking about switching to a stainless steel rice cooker and wondering if it actually makes a difference in everyday cooking, you're in the right place. With so many options claiming to be the best stainless steel rice cooker, it helps to look at how these models really perform in daily use. Today, we're breaking down what separates a truly top-rated stainless steel rice cooker from the rest. As we get into this, I'm honestly super interested to hear whether you've used a stainless steel rice cooker before or if this is your first time looking into one, so keep that in mind as you watch. We'll begin with the Elite Gourmet ERC 2020, and this is a great place to start if you're looking for simplicity paired with a stainless steel cooking surface. When you first use this cooker, you immediately notice how straightforward the experience is. The inner pot is made from surgical grade 304 stainless steel, which means you're cooking rice directly on a non-reactive, toxin-free surface. You measure your rice and water, flip the switch, and the cooker takes care of the rest, automatically transitioning to keep warm once the rice is done. As you cook, you'll appreciate how evenly the ERC 2020 distributes heat. The rice cooks through without scorching at the bottom, and the texture comes out consistent from top to bottom. With a capacity of up to 10 cups of cooked rice, 5 cups uncooked, it's well suited for family meals, meal prep, or batch cooking grains for the week. The glass lid lets you visually monitor the cooking process, which gives you a reassuring sense of control without needing to lift the lid and disrupt steam. Using this cooker feels calm and predictable. The cool touch exterior stays comfortable to handle, and the simple one-touch operation removes guesswork from the process. You don't have to navigate menus or settings. Instead, you get a dependable rhythm that fits naturally into your kitchen routine. It's an approach you often see highlighted in detailed stainless steel rice cooker reviews, where reliability and material quality matter more than flashy extras. Over time, the stainless steel pot proves its value in durability and ease of cleaning. Rice releases cleanly with a bit of soaking, and the pot doesn't retain odors or stains. You can expect this cooker to become a reliable, everyday appliance that quietly does its job well, especially if you value clean materials and uncomplicated design. Now, we move on to the COMFEE compact rice cooker, which offers a noticeably different experience, especially if space and portion control matter to you. This model is designed with smaller households in mind, featuring a compact footprint that fits easily on crowded countertops or in smaller kitchens. When you pick it up, it feels solid yet lightweight, and the stainless steel inner pot immediately signals a focus on healthier cooking surfaces. When you cook rice in the COMFEE, you'll notice how thoughtfully it handles smaller quantities. The heating system is calibrated to cook evenly, even when you're only making a few cups, which helps avoid mushy or uneven results. The cooker includes multiple preset programs, allowing you to prepare white rice, brown rice, quinoa, and even porridge, all while keeping food in contact with stainless steel rather than coated materials. If you're cooking mostly for 1 or 2 people, I'm genuinely curious whether something compact like this feels more appealing than a larger cooker. Let me know in the comments, because I honestly find that difference really interesting. In daily use, the digital control panel makes the experience feel modern but approachable. You can set a delayed start, adjust cooking programs, and rely on automatic keep warm once cooking is complete. The cooker quietly manages temperature and timing in the background, so you can focus on other tasks while your grains cook gently and consistently. Living with this cooker means enjoying precision without bulk. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the smooth stainless steel interior, and the compact size makes storage easy. You can expect neatly cooked rice with defined grains, minimal moisture loss, and a cooking process that feels both efficient and reassuringly clean. Next, let's talk about the Aroma Housewares A-Arc 914 SBD, a model that balances value, capacity, and stainless steel performance. This cooker is built around a stainless steel inner pot that's designed to handle everyday use while producing consistent results. As soon as you start cooking, you'll notice how it maintains steady heat, which is especially helpful when preparing larger batches. With a capacity of up to 8 cups of cooked rice, this model is well suited for families or anyone who likes to cook once and eat multiple times. The digital controls allow you to switch between white rice, brown rice, and steam functions, giving you flexibility without overwhelming you with options. The stainless steel pot ensures that flavors stay clean and true without absorbing smells from previous meals. As rice cooks, steam circulates evenly within the pot, and the cooker's logic automatically adjusts cooking time based on moisture and temperature. You can expect rice that's fluffy, tender, and evenly cooked, whether you're making jasmine rice for dinner or brown rice for meal prep. This kind of consistency is often what earns a model recognition as a top-rated stainless steel rice cooker among experienced home cooks. Over repeated use, the ARC 914 SPD proves itself as a dependable kitchen companion. The stainless steel pot resists wear and discoloration, and cleanup is manageable with warm water and gentle scrubbing. You end up with a cooker that feels practical, adaptable, and well suited to everyday cooking with stainless steel at its core. Now we move into multifunction territory with the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1, which approaches rice cooking from a broader perspective. When you use this appliance, you're not just using a rice cooker, you're engaging a programmable pressure cooker with a stainless steel inner pot that's designed for versatility. The heavy gauge stainless steel pot features an aluminum core bonded into the base for even heat distribution. Cooking rice in the Duo Plus feels precise and controlled. You can use the dedicated rice program, which adjusts pressure and time automatically, or customize settings to suit specific grains like basmati or brown rice. The sealed pressure environment helps rice absorb water efficiently, resulting in plump grains with a satisfying bite and minimal nutrient loss. Beyond rice, this cooker adapts seamlessly to your broader cooking habits. You can saute aromatics directly in the stainless steel pot, then add rice in liquid without switching cookware. The digital display, progress indicators, and quiet operation make the experience feel intuitive, even if you're multitasking in the kitchen. Over time, the stainless steel inner pot becomes a standout feature. It's resistant to scratching, easy to clean, and doesn't degrade with high heat or pressure. You can expect consistent results, a refined cooking process, and the confidence that comes from using a well-engineered appliance that's frequently mentioned in in-depth stainless steel rice cooker reviews. Finally, we arrive at the COSORI Rice Cooker Tin Cup, which represents a more modern, technology-driven approach to stainless steel rice cooking. From the moment you start using it, the cooker feels polished and thoughtfully designed. The stainless steel inner pot is paired with digital controls that monitor cooking conditions such as temperature throughout the cooking cycle. With a capacity of up to 10 cups of cooked rice, it comfortably supports family meals, gatherings, or weekly meal prep without feeling oversized for everyday use. The stainless steel inner pot feels substantial in your hands, and its smooth surface helps prevent sticking while maintaining a neutral cooking environment that preserves the natural flavor of the rice. For many home cooks, this balance of capacity and consistency is exactly what they look for when searching for the best stainless steel rice cooker. Using the COSORI is a quietly refined experience. The digital interface is clear and responsive, guiding you through multiple preset functions while remaining intuitive. You can set a delay timer, rely on automatic keep warm, and trust the cooker to manage the finer details of heat control. As the rice finishes, the texture is cohesive and fluffy, with grains that separate cleanly and retain just the right amount of moisture. What stands out most is how consistent the results feel from batch to batch. The digital cooking logic removes much of the variability that can come with traditional rice cooking, allowing you to expect the same quality whether you're cooking a small weekday portion or a full pot for guests. Cleanup is straightforward, and the stainless steel pot resists odors and discoloration, reinforcing the sense that this is a cooker built for long-term use. As you compare these stainless steel rice cookers, a simple pattern emerges: clean materials, thoughtful design, and dependable performance. Each model brings something slightly different to the table, whether that's compact convenience, multifunction flexibility, or sensor-guided precision, but all of them share the same core benefit of cooking rice on stainless steel you can trust. As we wrap this up, I'm genuinely curious which one feels like the best fit for your kitchen and your routine. Honestly, let me know in the comments what matters most to you when choosing a rice cooker. You'll find links to the current prices for each of these stainless steel rice cookers in the description box below, so you can take a closer look at whichever one fits your cooking style best.